ChatGPT has become one of the most popular AI tools ever since it launched on the internet late last year, and everybody is talking about it. Everybody is using it. I mean, from using it to create professional mails, to answer questions, to create perspective, even creating popular tweets for influencers. People are even talking about it replacing jobs. Since ChatGPT is so cool, why not use it to create a perfect skincare routine? I mean, we all want a healthy glowing skin, but with so many products out there, it can be overwhelming to find the right routine for you. And yes, AI can help you create a custom skincare routine just for you. By analyzing your skin type, skin concern, and preferences, ChatGPT can recommend the perfect product and the perfect routine for your unique need. All you need to do is enter the perfect prompt. Yes. Now I'm going to be asking ChatGPT to create a custom skincare routine and also product recommendation for my unique skin type, entering the perfect prompt, and let's see what it says. So I went to the ChatGPT's website, which is chat.openai.com, and then I created an account. Yes, I signed up, I inputted my email address, my name, phone number to verify, and yes, this is what the homepage looks like, telling you the examples of prompts to make and the capabilities of ChatGPT's AI. Now it is time to create our prompt. Now, when creating a prompt on ChatGPT, you want to be very detailed. That is the key to getting a very good result. You can't just say, create a skincare routine for me. Okay, who are you? What's your skin type? What's your skin concern? Why exactly do you want me to create a skincare routine for you? Now, these are the tiny details that you need to get a better result on your ChatGPT. Now, to my prompt, I said create a skincare routine for a female Nigerian youth. Yes, I'm living in Nigeria. The weather here is different from some other parts of the world. Yes, for a female Nigerian youth with oily skin in her mid 20s. And here we have our results. I mean, take a look at our results. Morning routine says we should start by washing our face with a gentle foaming cleanser formulated for oily skin. Yes. Toner, apply an alcohol-free toner to balance skin pH and control excess oil production. Yes, even though toner is not really important, but then we go to a lightweight moisturizer, applying a non-comedogenic moisturizer. We all know that using heavy moisturizer will clog our skin pores, and so we should use a non-comedogenic moisturizer. And last but not the least, sunscreen, the holy grail, a very simple 4-step morning routine. And the first step for our evening routine is to use a gentle makeup remover or micellar water to effectively remove makeup and impurities from the face before going in with the cleanser, which is to clean your face again with the same gentle foaming cleanser. This is a 2-step wash routine and it is very great for oily skin. Now going in again with the same toner we use for our morning routine, and then spot treat if needed with a spot treatment that contain ingredients like salicylic acid and moisturize. Yes, and optional, you can use a retinol in your skincare routine. I have a video talking about how to incorporate retinol and tips to take note of before incorporating retinol into our skincare routine. Even went ahead to give us general skincare tips like avoiding harsh products in your skincare routine, being consistent in your skincare routine, drinking a lot of water. Wow, just wow. And now onto product recommendation. Let's say you do not know the exact product to get for your skin type. I went ahead and inputted the same prompt but asking for product recommendation, and I got product recommendation from cleansers to toners to moisturizers to sunscreen for both morning and evening skincare routine. Now what I noticed is that some of these products are quite high end. You can as well tweak the prompt and input you want drugstore, you want affordable skincare products, and ChatGPT is there for you to do everything that you want. You can pause, and they also even give us tips, skincare tips, product tips as well. Sincerely, I think the possibilities of AI is endless, very endless, and there is more and more to come. I'd like to know, how do you use AI in your everyday life? You can let me know in the comment section below. And do you know the best part? You can try out this recommended product and give feedback to the AI, which will then adjust your skincare routine accordingly. Now, why not give it a try? Who knows, you might just discover your own new holy grail skincare routine. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.